Most people think South Korea's success is all about K-pop and skincare brands, but that is only the surface. Behind the scenes, businesses are running with robots, smart machines, and ideas that barely need human workers. Some of these models are already replacing delivery drivers. One of them makes money from electric cars and digital ads at the same time. And the number one idea is so simple. Almost no one outside Asia is doing it. Today, I will show you 20 Korean business ideas ranked from lowest opportunity to the most powerful one. Many of these ideas are still underdeveloped in most countries, which creates early opportunity. Stay with me because the top spots might surprise you. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 20. EV charging stations with digital advertising. Electric cars are increasing every year, but here is what most people miss. Charging stations are not just about power, they are about attention. EV charging stations with digital advertising allow drivers to charge their cars while large LCD screens display paid ads. That means two income streams, charging fees and advertising revenue. Businesses, malls, and parking areas can rent ad space to local brands. As electric vehicles grow, demand grows automatically. This is not just a utility service, it is a media platform. That is only the beginning. If deliveries could also happen without human drivers. Number 19. Smart parcel lockers. Online shopping keeps rising, and missed deliveries frustrate everyone. Smart parcel lockers solve that problem. These automated lockers allow customers to receive or send packages anytime using a secure code. No waiting, no missed couriers. Residential buildings, malls, and office spaces can install them and charge logistics companies monthly fees. It reduces labor costs and improves convenience at the same time. The more e-commerce grows, the more these lockers become essential infrastructure. This business runs quietly in the background, but the cash flow can be steady. Now imagine taking automation directly into restaurants. Number 18. Intelligent food delivery robots. Restaurants are under pressure from rising labor costs. Intelligent food delivery robots help solve that. These robots carry food from kitchen to table without human waiters. Customers love the experience, and businesses reduce staffing expenses. In busy cities, speed and hygiene matter, and robots deliver both. Restaurants can also use them as a marketing attraction to increase foot traffic. Once installed, they work daily without complaints or overtime pay. Automation in dining is only beginning. But serving food inside a restaurant is just the start. What if robots delivered across entire buildings or streets? Number 17. Self-driving commercial delivery robots. Now take automation outside the restaurant. Self-driving commercial delivery robots move through shopping centers, office buildings, and even sidewalks to deliver products. Controlled through mobile apps, they bring orders directly to customers. Businesses save on driver salaries and fuel costs. Customers enjoy faster service and a modern experience. As cities look for efficient last-mile solutions, this model becomes powerful. Regulations may vary by country, but early adopters gain a competitive edge. Delivery is evolving quickly, and while robots move goods, other machines are quietly maintaining entire buildings. Before number 16, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 16. Industrial cleaning robots. Large malls, airports, and hospitals require constant cleaning. Hiring full teams is expensive. Industrial cleaning robots operate autonomously, cleaning floors efficiently without disturbing visitors. They reduce long-term labor costs and improve hygiene standards. Facility managers value reliability, and robots can work day and night with minimal supervision. In a world focused on cleanliness and safety, this demand keeps increasing. Businesses that supply or lease these machines can secure long-term contracts. Automation is not replacing humans completely, but it is reducing dependency. And the next ideas move even deeper into smart infrastructure. Number 15. Electric scooter charging stations. Cities are becoming crowded, and people want faster ways to move. Electric scooter charging stations support the rise of eco-friendly transportation. These stations offer convenient charging points in public areas, business districts, and residential complexes. As scooter usage increases, charging demand grows automatically. Operators can earn through charging fees, partnerships with scooter companies, and advertising space on the stations. Governments also support green infrastructure, which opens doors for incentives. This business fits perfectly into modern urban life. But transportation is only one part of city living. Healthcare access is another growing opportunity. Number 14. Smart medical kiosks. Access to basic health checks should be quick and simple. Smart medical kiosks allow people to measure blood pressure, heart rate, oxygen levels, and other vital signs in public places. Installed in malls, offices, and transport hubs, these kiosks provide instant reports without visiting a clinic. Businesses can partner with healthcare providers or insurance companies to generate recurring revenue. Preventive care is becoming more important worldwide, and convenience drives adoption. While trust may take time to build, demand for accessible healthcare keeps rising. Now consider how space itself can become a business model. Number 13. Mobile capsule hotels. Space is limited in major cities, yet travel and events keep growing. Mobile capsule hotels offer compact, private sleeping units that can be placed near festivals, tourist areas, or work sites. They are easy to transport and quick to install. Customers pay for short stays, making turnover fast and revenue steady. Compared to building traditional hotels, startup costs can be lower and flexibility much higher. Urban travelers value affordability and privacy. As cities become denser, efficient use of space becomes profitable. And sleeping solutions are not limited to travelers alone. Number 12. Mini capsule beds for offices. Work culture is changing, and long hours are common in many industries. Mini capsule beds for offices provide private rest spaces inside workplaces, hospitals, and even entertainment venues. These compact units combine relaxation and productivity in one design. Companies install them to improve employee well-being and attract talent. Revenue can come from leasing to corporations or charging hourly usage fees. In high-pressure environments, short rest breaks improve performance. Businesses that support comfort often gain loyalty, but sometimes workers do not need sleep, they simply need silence. Number 11. Mobile soundproof work booths. Open offices look modern, but noise reduces focus. Mobile soundproof work booths solve this problem by creating quiet private spaces inside shared environments. Employees can take calls, attend meetings, or work without distractions. Companies invest in them to boost productivity and improve working conditions. These booths are modular, movable, and scalable for different office sizes. Suppliers can sell or lease units to co-working spaces and corporations. As hybrid work continues to grow, demand for flexible office solutions increases, and from here, the ideas begin shifting toward high-value specialized automation. Quick question: which idea so far could work in your city? Comment the number below. I read every comment, and it helps me know what type of ideas you want next. Number 10. Window cleaning robots. Cleaning skyscrapers is risky and expensive. Window cleaning robots offer a safer and more efficient solution. These machines attach to glass surfaces and clean high-rise buildings with precision. Property management companies save on labor costs and reduce safety risks for workers. As cities continue building taller structures, demand for automated maintenance grows. Businesses can sell, lease, or maintain these robots under long-term service contracts. Fewer accidents, lower insurance costs, and consistent results make this model attractive. But automation is not only about maintenance, it can also create entertainment and emotional experiences. Number 9. Mini karaoke booths. Music is social, but not everyone wants to sing in front of a crowd. Mini karaoke booths provide private spaces where people can sing alone or with friends. Installed in malls, cinemas, and busy streets, these compact booths operate on a pay-per-use system. Low staffing requirements and small floor space make them cost-efficient. Young people, families, and tourists are all potential customers. With the right song selection and easy payment system, revenue can be consistent. Entertainment creates strong emotional connections, and technology can take entertainment even further. Number 8. VR cafes. Traditional cafes sell drinks, but VR cafes sell experiences. Customers wear headsets and enter virtual worlds, playing games or exploring digital environments. These spaces attract tech-curious audiences and younger generations looking for something new. Revenue comes from hourly play fees, memberships, and event hosting. As virtual reality technology becomes more affordable, access expands. The key is creating a social environment, not just individual gaming. Experiences that feel unique drive repeat visits. Yet sometimes the strongest emotions do not come from the future, they come from the past. Number 7. Retro gaming cafes. Nostalgia is powerful. Retro gaming cafes bring back classic arcade machines and old-school video games. Adults relive childhood memories, while younger generations experience vintage gaming culture for the first time. Customers pay for game time, food, drinks, and themed events. The atmosphere becomes the main attraction. Compared to high-tech setups, retro machines can be more affordable to source and maintain. This business connects generations through shared experiences. Emotional value keeps people coming back. And while some businesses focus on physical locations, others operate entirely online. Number 6. Mobile beauty salon. Time is limited, and convenience wins. Mobile beauty salons bring professional grooming services directly to customers. Instead of visiting a salon, clients book appointments at home or office. This reduces rental costs for the business and increases flexibility. Personalized service builds strong customer loyalty. Revenue grows through repeat bookings and premium packages. In fast-paced cities, saving time becomes a luxury people are willing to pay for. Mobility creates competitive advantage. But the next opportunity does not require moving around. It moves through digital screens and online attention. Number 5. Commercial display advertising robots. Attention is currency in modern business. Commercial display advertising robots move through malls, airports, and exhibitions while showing ads on built-in screens. Unlike static billboards, these robots move toward people, increasing visibility and engagement. Brands pay for advertising space, and venues benefit from interactive promotion. Businesses can lease robots to event organizers or sign monthly advertising contracts. This model combines robotics with marketing, creating both novelty and recurring revenue. As competition for attention grows, dynamic advertising becomes more valuable. But some of the most profitable opportunities today exist entirely online. Number 4. Mukbang content creation business. Entertainment has changed, and mukbang content creation proves it. In this format, creators eat food on camera while interacting with viewers through live streaming. Revenue comes from donations, sponsorships, ads, and brand deals. The startup cost is low compared to physical businesses, but consistency and personality matter. Audiences feel connected to creators, which builds loyal communities. Restaurants also collaborate with popular streamers for promotion. This business runs from a small studio, but can reach millions online. Still, digital audiences are not the only niche communities with strong spending power. Number 3. Manhwa Reading Cafe. Comics are more than entertainment in Korea. They are culture. A manhwa reading cafe offers customers a cozy space filled with Korean comics, comfortable seating, and snacks. Visitors pay hourly fees or purchase memberships to access large collections. The atmosphere encourages relaxation and social interaction. This concept works especially well in student areas and urban centers. Revenue streams include drinks, food, and exclusive events. Niche communities often create strong loyalty and repeat visits, but sometimes simplicity beats specialization. and the next idea proves that clearly. Number 2. Ice cup beverage concept. Sometimes small ideas scale fast. The ice cup beverage concept allows customers to buy a cup filled with ice and pour their favorite drink from available machines. It is simple, affordable, and convenient. Stores can sell sodas, coffee, tea, or juice using the same setup. The investment is relatively low, while margins can remain attractive. Customers enjoy customization and quick service. This model works well in busy areas with high foot traffic. It may look basic, but smart execution makes it profitable. And now we reach the most unexpected idea on this list. Number 1. Wet umbrella packing dispensers. Rain creates small problems that businesses can solve. Wet umbrella packing dispensers are installed at entrances of malls, offices, and public buildings. Visitors insert their wet umbrellas into the machine, which wraps them in plastic to prevent water from dripping inside. Floors stay dry, cleaning costs decrease, and safety improves. The machines require minimal space and operate with low maintenance. Revenue can come from selling units or supplying replacement covers regularly. In rainy cities, this simple solution becomes essential. Sometimes the best opportunities are not complex, they are overlooked. At the beginning, I mentioned a business that makes money from electric cars and advertising. That was EV charging stations with digital screens. I also mentioned models replacing delivery drivers. That was self-driving delivery robots. And the simplest overlooked opportunity, wet umbrella packing dispensers. South Korea shows us something important. The future of business is not always loud or complicated. It is automated, space-efficient, and built around solving small daily problems. From robots replacing delivery drivers to simple umbrella packing machines, each idea focuses on convenience and efficiency. The real opportunity is not just copying these models, it is adapting them to your local market before everyone else notices. Trends spread fast, but early movers benefit the most. If you are serious about starting a small manufacturing business in 2026, subscribe and turn on notifications. Share this video with someone who's serious about building a low-risk business from home. Watch the next video on your screen now, because the next opportunity might be even bigger.